Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Salad Kitchen. Today we have two things to do. The first thing is we need to pack a sandwich, the smoked salmon egg salad sandwich. And the second thing is go hiking. It's autumn now. Everywhere looks so beautiful. Now we are going to make our sandwich first. We need to make the egg salad base for the sandwich. So we use 2 eggs. We'll put garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, green onion. Then we mix with mayonnaise. So we just need to mix. And we prepare a whole wheat cranberry bread. I like to cut it by ourselves because you can control the bread is like thicker. The thicker is better, I think. Then we put the egg salad as a base. The egg salad we made is for 2 people, or you can make it for like 2 egg sandwiches. Then we put some spinach. And smoked salmon. Sprinkle some black pepper. Add some broccoli sprouts. And cover it well. Then you can enjoy. So yummy, right? Look at Jackie. I think he's all enjoying. We packed 3 of them and went to a park. It's fall. It's so colorful everywhere. Beautiful place, right? It's a very special season for Canada. It's so colorful. In this season, we usually go up north, just enjoy and relax. But due to COVID, this year we cannot go anywhere. But luckily, we have so many parks in Toronto. For example, this one, it's beautiful and quiet. So we can just relax here and just enjoy. this year is so hard. But when I saw my daughter's smile, my heart melted. And I will feel so happy because I have her. I think everyone is the same. When you have family around you, and you be the happiest one. And we will need to always keep our positive attitude. Stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy, and everything will be fine, I think. And that's what I hope too. We will get through it together. You're not alone. Sunshine comes after rain. So we need to hang in here. Know the name of this tree, but I really like it. The color is so red, like fire. Hope you like this video, and if you like us, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. We will do our best to make more healthy recipes for you. Thank you so much, and see you next week.